Welcome to Silicon Valley Asian Business Talk.
Hello, everyone. This is Roger Chen from University of San Francisco Center for Business Studies and Innovation in Asia Pacific. First, Joan, we want to thank you for supporting and joining our interview program. Would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Sure, Roger. Thank you for inviting me. It's good to be here. So my name is June Yang. A little bit about myself. Most recently, I was at Google Cloud for the past 5 years. And first, I was responsible for the compute infrastructure, AI infrastructure, and block storage business at Google Cloud, which is the largest business unit within Google Cloud, with multiple billions of dollars of revenue annual basis. The second part of Google Cloud, I was asked to take over the AI business. So I was responsible for the whole portfolio of AI products coming out of Google Cloud, as well as industry solutions that's applying AI and other advanced technology to various specific industry sectors as well. Prior to that, I was at VMware for almost 10 years and did a variety of roles and responsibility over there. I was responsible for vSphere business, which is a flagship business for VMware for a number of years. And I also had the opportunity to do in-house startup, and that's jointly sponsored by both VMware and Dell and so forth. And so it's been great to kind of running and scaling different business inside these corporations. And currently, I'm on the board of several corporations, both public and private. So I think certainly being able to innovate and scale businesses are really, some of the key discussions we have at the boardroom as well.
How to create startups in large corporations.
That you have worked with internal startups at VMware and to try to grow that business. Do you have any kind of suggestions or kind of reflections on how to manage and, more importantly, grow those new ventures inside a large corporation?
Yeah, I think it's always easier if it's something that's strategic to the company and that's actually something the company values and prizes, right? And so when you have, like when I was running that project, that was something at the highest level. The CEOs of both companies were involved, and they wanted this project, right? So I think that makes it a lot easier because you have both kind of the top-down mandate and to kind of help with that. So if you're starting from something new, you got to think about this as almost like, look, you are a startup and you're trying to get VC funding, right? So you need to go talk to the VCs, right? And convince them and pitch them to say why it's important and why it's important for the company. What is the potential for that, right? I think nothing is going to be given free, right? So I think it's really about it's really about sort of like be able to demonstrate its value and really trying to remove the doubts from people's mind. And it's like, look, if you have a great idea and then it has very little risk, has a huge amount of potential in there. I think most CEOs will be very much welcoming those type of ideas. If anything, I think there's a lot of places, especially for large companies, there's not enough of these kind of big, bold idea that has large potentials out there.
Okay, so actually, I think that's quite consistent with your earlier point about get the buy-in, right? And also, to create this kind of mutual interest.
Thank you for watching.